So we got bacon, we got onions, we got relish, we got mustard, and the bun. Oh, the bun is so soft. Get off 95 now. Go to Super Duper Weenie. So for those of you who have traveled northbound on 95 through Fairfield County, just past exit 23, you've undoubtedly seen the big sign, the famous sign, the Super Duper Weenie sign. And you know you've been tempted to stop and get off there and say, what is going on there with the Super Duper Weenies? Well, that's exactly what we're going to do today. We're going to go and we're going to check out Super Duper Weenie. And it's this is right past the "Your Wife is Hot" sign over there, which I think is hysterical. So it's time to check out Super Duper Weenie. It's lunchtime, and I need me a good hot dog. Exit 24, Black Rock Turnpike. Let's do it. All right, well, here we are at Super Duper Weenie. I can't wait to go in there. You know, this place is ranked #1 on TripAdvisor of 157 restaurants here in Fairfield County, Connecticut. 310 reviews praising the fresh ingredients and variety, located at 306 Black Rock Turnpike in Fairfield, Connecticut. It's a beloved hot dog joint. It's been a local staple since 1992. It started out as a food truck back in 1976, and the food truck still is available if you want to go out and rent that. They do catering and all of that. It's a permanent location, became in 1999, and it's gained a cult following for its gourmet hot dogs, house-made condiments, and fresh-cut French fries. The restaurant is also known for its high quality, locally sourced ingredients and creative takes on classic American comfort food, earning features on shows like Diners, Drive-In, Dives, and praise from outlets like Food Network and TripAdvisor, and Dave and Kathy Unplugged, even though Kathy's not here. I don't know that she'd come to the Super Duper Weenie. Nah, she probably would. But you know what? She'd get a cheeseburger is what she would do. So the menu, it specializes in split and grilled hot dogs. I love the grilled hot dogs. They cut them in half with a unique regional styles like the New Englander, which is sauerkraut, bacon, mustard, sweet relish, and raw onion. They got the New Yorker, which is sauerkraut, onion sauce, mustard, and hot relish. The Chicagoan, lettuce, tomato, mustard, celery salt, relish, pickle, spear, and Georgia Red Hot. That's a spicy sausage with the works. So beyond the hot dogs, they also have juicy burgers and also award-winning Fairfield cheesesteaks. Fairfield spelled with a PH. That's a tribute to Philadelphia, of course, obviously. They've got fresh filleted chicken sandwiches and also veggie burgers and scratch-made soups. Thick milkshakes are also crowd favorites. The atmosphere here is a very small, cozy, friendly-like diner. Really a nostalgic vibe with counter stools and picnic benches. This is down home. This is a really cool place. It's open every day from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. And so if you're driving from Boston to New York or New York to Boston and you're hungry and it's between 11 and 4, stop off and definitely get yourself a hot dog at Super Duper Weenie. Okay, so we've arrived at Super Duper Weenie here, 306 Black Rock Turnpike. And you can see it's a tiny little joint, nothing super special. People pull in and definitely, you know, are excited to get their lunch here. And I think what I'm going to do is probably get the New Englander and some fries and maybe a milkshake. I think that's something maybe I'll try. So they've got this old classic sign there. And yeah, let's go in and check this out. So you can see the hours, very straightforward, 11 to 4 every day. And they are open right now. So let's go ahead and go inside. Okay, so here I am inside Super Duper Weenie, and here is the menu. I love it when they write it up on the wall like this. So they have all these different hot dogs, obviously. I'm getting the New Englander, and I'm also gonna I just ordered the kids' fries because I don't know, I think I'm not gonna have that many, but they have house-made condiments here. But look at all the different types of hot dogs that they have here. And then they've got some hand-patted burgers, which look real good. And then they've got some specialty sandwiches. You can see the Fairfield cheesesteak, spelled PH. And then, yeah, they got some sides. So I'm just getting myself a Diet Coke here from the fridge. But yeah, check this place out over here. This is so cool. They got you can see they got the grill going right over there. And so these are not boiled dogs. These are grilled dogs. And then, and the fries right over in here, these look really good.
Those are blanched fries.
What are they?
Fries that were blanched.
Oh, blanched fries. Oh, okay. Very cool.
This is like a pre-cooked.
Gotcha. All right. Yeah. So pre-cooked blanched fries.
People call it twice cooked fries.
Twice cooked fries. Listen to that. All right. Now we're talking. This place is starting to rock here too. Check this out. Everybody's looking to get their Super Duper Weenies. I can't wait to get my New Englander. All right. So you just called Dave. Here we go. Now, what did you put on the fries here? You got salt?
Light salt and pepper.
Light salt and pepper. All right. That's looking good. 50-50. That's beautiful. Look at these dogs right over here. Here's just a plain. That's a plain one right there. But you can see this is old school style right here. Love it. So you can see behind me, it's just picnic tables in here. This is where we all sit in this little side room. Looks good. Everybody's having a good time. How are the hot dogs, everybody? All right. Well, I'm going to try mine right now. Look at this dog. Man, oh man. This is what I'm talking about. Let's try it. Here we go.
Was your theater crazy at the movie, like shouting out and stuff? So we went. I had no idea. I thought it was just like
it's delicious. So good. And you could see the fries. They have salt and pepper on them. Now you can get it without the salt and pepper, but I would recommend it with it. Really good. They're not crunchy. They're kind of soft. They're very tasty. It tastes like potatoes. This is clearly a quality product here. Paper napkins are a must. You know, if I look at this dog, it actually, oh, I see. I thought it was 2 hot dogs. What it is there's a big piece of bacon on there. So we got bacon, we got onions, we got relish, we got mustard, and the bun. Oh, the bun is so soft. Get off 95 now. Go to Super Duper Weenie. Really good. Okay, well, it's a wrap here from Super Duper Weenie, and you can see the cars, there's just not enough parking. Why is that? Just because the quality is really good. Man, I got to tell you, so fresh, so delicious, and filling. I just had 1 hot dog, and I got the kids' fries. I think that's the call, the kids' fries. And to achieve equilibrium, you got to top it off with a Diet Coke. Although I was tempted to get the milkshake, but I resisted because later tonight, I got to go get ice cream. You know me. So everyone, thanks again for watching another episode of Dave and Kathy Unplugged. I wish Kathy were here, but she's down in Florida, so I'm doing my best to keep making this content for you guys. I hope you're enjoying it. Take care now. Bye-bye.